All right, everybody. I've got some items here. We got the nail, some bobby pins, a mini ball, and some rings, and a rusted crown cap style bottle cap. I've also got the White's TDI Beachhunter, and I'm going to get the GPX out here in a second. What I want to do is show you the sounds off these two machines. Just kind of give you an idea of what they sound like and all that. So we'll go. I'm going to fire this thing up and try to get it situated to where y'all can hear it through the headphones. I'm going to set this down here like so and set the headphones right next to it. Maybe this will work. It probably won't. We'll see anyway. Okay. First up is crown cap. Alright, that gives a low tone. High tone, I'm sorry. High tone for low conductive. That's going to sound just like your rings and that kind of thing. As a matter of fact, here is a ring, so here's one of them. Here's another ring. Okay. And here's what I didn't really like about the machine. It's going to pick up lead and all that kind of stuff, and it's going to sound like that. And of course, bottle caps are too. Bobby pins. They're everywhere on the beach. Here's what they sound like. Just like the rings. Okay, and for relic hunters, here's the thing that kind of trips people up. Nails and anything high conductive like bullets or belt plates and that kind of thing. So here's a nail. Low tone. Here's a mini. And that's what trips people up with the TDI. And I'm going to show you why I like the GPX. So, okay, I'm here with the GPX 4800 right now. I've got the loudspeaker hooked up it, so you should be able to hear all this. It does not like it in the house. You can hear it warbling and all that stuff. I'm going to go over the same targets. So, starting out, let's see. Let's do the bottle cap, crown cap. See, it likes bottle caps too. You can't get away from those. What you can get away from are those right there, the bobby pins. Listen. Hear it blanking out. Here's a ring. Bobby pin. And it sounds nothing like this. Or the other ring. There's the other ring. Okay. And here's the one that would trip the TDI up. So here you've got the nail. Here's a nail. And the mini ball. That's why I prefer the GPX over the TDI.